In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a desktop shortcut to shut down PC in less than 1 minute with just a slide, so please subscribe if you like this video. Be patient, stay with me. Without further ado, let's go. Right-click on desktop. Hover over New. Click on Shortcut. A file will open. Type their slide to shut down as follow. Or I will provide this text in the description so you can either copy it from there instead. Then click Next. Name it whatever you like. In my case it is shut down. Click on Finish. File will be created. Now right-click on Created Shortcut, choose Properties, then change the icon. In my case I choose this one, then OK, and there you go. See how simple it was. Thanks for watching this video. Please be sure to subscribe for more exciting content. Allah Hafiz, bye, see ya soon.